Hello guys, my name is Patrick. Once again I welcome you to my computer classroom. That is a class whereby we teach computer only. So guys, without wasting much time, I'm going to teach you something on computer. Like I promise you that I'll be teaching you computer, but I cannot teach you computer without you knowing what a computer is. So in this case, I'm going to teach you from the beginning, that is computer application, and we are going to start straight away with the introduction to computer. But before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you follow me on TikTok, like, share and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So basic computer application, introduction to computer classroom by teacher Patrick. So in this case, we are going to see what a computer is. What is a computer? In my mind, a computer is an electronic device that can store, process and communicate information. It typically consists of, we have the desktop computer. Like you can see from the image, that is our desktop computer. We have a CPU, a monitor, a keyboard, a CPU. This is a CPU, this is a monitor, keyboard and a mouse. That is our desktop computer. You can see, and we have what we call a laptop computer. That is it. This is the laptop computer. This is a portable machine. You can carry it, you work with it. We have it here. This is the monitor for the laptop, and then the screen for the laptop, and then this is the keyboard. This one has inbuilt, everything is attached to it. A keyboard is attached to it, the mouse is attached to it. That's what we call a laptop. So we are going to see hardware components of the computer. What are the hardware components of computer? We are going to see the example of the hardware components of a computer. We have the CPU, that is the central processing units. What does the central processing unit do? What does the CPU do? The CPU is the brain of a computer. It is the brain of a computer. It is responsible for executing instruction. It is responsible for executing instruction. We are going to see even the picture of this CPU. Like there, we see that is the CPU. This is the CPU, and it is an HP CPU. That's a central processing unit. This is not a woofer. It's not a woofer. We have another hardware component, what we call the memory, or in bracket a RAM. What is a RAM? A RAM is in full. This is a random access memory. What does it do? Its work is to temporarily store data, temporary storage for data and instruction. It stores data temporarily. That is the image of the RAM. What else do we have? We have the storage drive, a permanent storage device such as hard drive and solid state drive. That is the image we have. That is the image of a storage drive. That is the hard drive. Okay, so we have another input device or output devices, device that allow user to interact with the computer, such as keyboard, mouse and monitor. Keyboard, mouse and monitor, like we are going to see from the picture we have. That is our keyboard. It can make you type your document. You type your document on it. Secondly, we have our mouse. A mouse is something like this. This is a mouse. You rotate, you move with it around, you move around with it. That is the use of the mouse. It is helping us to move around the screen and help us to point at something we want to point. That is a mouse. We have another input device or output devices. We have, that is the monitor. That is the monitor. Those are from input output devices. Another thing, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this case, I'm not going to waste much time. That's where we can stop for today. Thank you. Stay tuned and wait for the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.